steam's coming out. Steam can kill all the bacteria on your bed. And also the dust will go away. And also from your pillows. I do it every 3 months.